Welcome to Hawkdemy. I'll show you how to create a course on Hawkdemy. After selecting Add New Course, enter your course title. For example, I'm writing English Grammar. Next, add a detailed course description. I've already written the description, which includes available slots for different classes and specific timings. This helps students view all the slots available in your offering. Step 2, Course Image. Now, add a course image that represents your course. Step 3, Course Introduction. After adding the image, create a course introduction video. This is important, as it showcases your teaching style and provides an overview of the course. Step 4, Course Settings. Configure your course settings. Add course duration. Select difficulty level. For example, if you're teaching advanced English, you can select intermediate. Set language. I'm setting it to English and Urdu. Enable or disable reviews. It's recommended to enable reviews to attract more students. Step 5, Additional Info. Click on Additional Info and write the benefits of the course. According to your requirements, write the materials included and requirements. I've already written the requirements. You can also write the target audience. Step 6, Course Builder. Now, let's move to the Course Builder, where you'll provide the course materials. You can add different chapters or topics with their own content. Here, I'm creating chapters on tenses, verbs, and vocabulary, each with its own content and summary. You can also add a sub-curriculum to further break down your course content. This allows you to create a sub-curriculum title. Step 7, Adding Lessons. Within each chapter, you can add lessons. Add a title, lesson content, e.g., PDF, upload an image, and add a specific picture for the lesson. You can also add a video, set a time for the lesson, upload a SCORM package, or attach a file. Step 8, Quizzes and Meetings. Now, let's add quizzes or meetings. Here, I'm creating a meeting with a title and description. Set the time and duration according to your preference. You can start recording, set a password, and submit. Step 9, Adding Quizzes. Next, add a quiz. Enter the quiz title and description. Let's create a quiz question. Here's how. 1. Enter the question title, type in the question you want to ask. 2. Select the question type, choose from multiple choice, true/false, single choice, or other options. 3. Enter the options one by one, and if needed, upload pictures to support your question. Then, submit the options. You can also customize additional settings for multiple choice questions, such as setting the correct answer and adding more options as required. For now, mark the correct answer, select the correct answer from the options. Adding negative marking. Setting quiz timing. Set the quiz timing. Choose a time limit for the quiz. Or hide the question timer, but still set a time limit for the entire quiz. Set the percentage of questions to display. Create feedback for correct and incorrect answers. You can give students more options, such as retrying the quiz. Step 10, Assignment. Now, let's add an assignment. Write the title, assignment summary, and attachment file according to the course. Set the assignment time limit, point trading system, and enable the submission option. You also have the option to add tutor booking or utilize the build from existing feature, allowing you to create assignments, quizzes, or lessons beforehand and add them to your course later. Step 11, Saving and Pricing. First, save your course. Then, set the prices. You have options for categories, regular prices, and discounted prices. Choose according to your preference. Step 12, Publishing the course. Finally, publish your course. And that's it.